The following video provides a demonstration of how to use sInQ Complete Endoscope Cleaning Aid System to aid in the manual cleaning of flexible endoscopes. Please review all available literature for this product, including the instructions for use provided by STERIS. Please contact STERIS if you are unclear about any of the materials used in this demonstration. Now that installation is complete, you're ready to begin using the sInQ Complete Endoscope Cleaning Aid System. Your unit comes preloaded with technician and scope information, allowing you to quickly choose either by using the barcode scanner or controls on the interface. Use the barcode scanner to select the technician from the list. Once complete, press Enter. Next, use the scanner to select the scope you will be reprocessing. Then, press Enter. After selecting the tech and scope, you are ready to perform the leak test. To maximize productivity, begin filling the sink that you will use later for the immersion leak test. Note: fill with water in the temperature range recommended by the IFU for the most efficient process. Connect the inflation adapter to the venting connector and press Start to pressurize the scope. Watch for expansion of the rubber sheath and manipulate the control knobs in all directions. If the scope maintains pressure for 30 seconds, the display will remain green. If the scope does not maintain pressure, a red screen will appear. If the scope does not maintain pressure, follow the scope manufacturer's IFU for further processing requirements. Now, immerse the scope completely in water and angulate the distal tip in each direction. Observe for a steady stream of bubbles. Confirm water temperature is within the recommended range for the chemistry IFU. If no bubbles are detected, press Start to end inflation. Press Enter to deflate, and then be sure to massage and angulate the scope for approximately 30 seconds when deflating to remove any existing air from the scope. Once deflated, remove the leak test connector tube and place on the watertight cap if required. If bubbles are detected, follow the scope manufacturer's IFU for further processing requirements. Then, press Start to dose detergent. Follow the scope manufacturer's IFU and perform manual cleaning. Once complete, press the scroll button to update the manual cleaning field to Yes. Next, you will perform a scope flush. First, gather flushing tube with the appropriate port adapters attached and connect to the endoscope. Then, connect channel blockers. Now press the scroll button to choose a single or dual flush. Then press Start to begin flushing. Allow the timer to count down to 0. Drain the sink and refill with fresh water to indicated level. Immerse the scope in the sink and confirm the flush suction tube is in the fresh water. Press Start to begin rinsing detergent from scope and allow the timer to count down to 0. Next, drain the sink and remove flush suction tube from water and place on the counter. Press Start to purge water from endoscope and let timer count down to 0. Now your pre-cleaning is complete. Press Start to save cleaning records and generate a cycle report. Then, proceed to liquid chemical sterilization or high-level disinfection. A notification will display if detergent is low or has run out. To change the detergent and prime the unit, follow these steps. 1. Turn the system off. 2. Twist off the cap of the empty container. 3. Remove the detergent in tube with foot valve from the empty container. 4. Clean suction valve using soft brush and flush suction valve with warm water to rinse off any debris. 5. Discard empty bottle. 6. Install new detergent container, removing the new cap. 7. Insert suction tube and foot valve in new container and ensure it goes all the way to the bottom. 8. Tighten cap. To prime the unit, you need to first enter programming mode. To do this, please press and hold the Enter button until the screen changes from green to amber. Press the Enter button until you see a screen that says Press Up to start or stop detergent priming. Press the Up button to begin priming. Notice the detergent filling the detergent suction tube. Check the flow meter pulse count and confirm it is 5 or more before completing the prime. Once you see a steady flow of detergent exiting the discharge tube without the sign of bubbles, you can manually stop priming by pushing the up arrow. For additional information on the AccuSync Complete Endoscope Cleaning Aid System or other solutions offered by STERIS, visit steris.com.